safety, and respect. Really? This is how we're going to talk about respect?
Double.
I better be paid double. I said paid double, not pied double. Anyway, back on subject. I, for one, am excited to watch the fireworks tonight. It's going to be amazing. I love watching them go up, and then boom! Seriously, you never know what colors and shapes they're going to make. It's always a surprise. You know, I don't feel very patriotic right now, Jackson.
Why not?
You think I look like an American when I look like a white monster?
I'm sorry.
Let me take care of that.
Okay, good. So after you clean me off...
This blue. Little more red.
Now you look very patriotic.
Maybe a little too much red and blue. Now let's finish this off right.
Happy 4th of July, everyone!
And cut!